Hi and welcome to this DCP web tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can access 16,000 sound effects on the BBC sound effects library. So let's open up the web browser. We're going to go to this website. I'll put a link to this website in the YouTube description, and here you can see these 16,000 BBC sound effects are made available by the BBC in WAV format to download for use under the terms of the condition here. So if you read this condition, you can have a little read of it, but in general you can use this for personal, educational or research purposes as detailed in the license. For commercial use you need to click here and read the commercial terms, but if you're doing stuff like on YouTube, or if you're making some personal things on YouTube, you're uploading them, or if you're doing some educational stuff, a lot of my stuff is educational based, especially like the Blender and the video editing stuff like that, teaching people how to use tools, then I can't see why you can't use these sound effects within those demonstration videos. Or if you're doing something on a personal level, maybe you've got a party or you've done a birthday party and you want some sound effects in there, then you could use it for that sort of purpose as well. Commercial stuff, you need to look at their commercial license. Down here you've got a list of categories, and you can see the categories are quite varied. So they've organized this pretty well. In this example, select a category. I'm going to leave it there, but I'm going to type in space here and click, let's just type in space and then hit the enter key, and then it will do a search and it will find me all things that are related to space. And if you've been watching my YouTube channel, you'll see that we've been doing quite a lot of things space related in Blender tutorials, quite a few spaceship stuff and things like this. So maybe I was thinking about in the near future maybe making some sort of rocket launch off. So I might use some sound effects from here within that tutorial and try and show you how to do some post-production within Blender as well. So we'll make a space rocket, we'll render it out, and then we do some more, maybe add some sounds to it using Blender and using this audio library. So I think there's some cool stuff in here that we can experiment with. So look at the drop down, see if there's anything in here you like. It's quite varied. Some of it's really old sort of audio, some of it's quite modern and new. There's a lot of football stuff in here as well, so you can look at some football stuff, might interest you. But I'll leave you to go and experiment with that. So let's minimize this. That's the end of this tutorial. Look forward to seeing you in the next DCP web tutorial.